Hey everybody, welcome to Joyful Homestead. After the fall growing season is done and the snow has come and there's been some freezes, Thanksgiving has come and we're ready for the holidays, a lot of gardeners put away their tools and they say, I'm not doing any planting at all until the spring. Well, there is one thing that I always want to plant in the winter. It's really important to plant it in December. It's garlic. Garlic has one of the longer growing season of any of your garden plants. It's about 6 months or 180 days from planting to harvest. Therefore, you want to make sure that you get it in plenty of time to hit the warm weather in the spring just right. What I like to do in December is plant my bulbs, and they hibernate and they settle in. And then immediately when the ground and the weather is ready in the spring and it starts warming up, then you'll start seeing growth. One thing I've done in the past that I really think was a mistake is I planted my garlic too early in the fall, in even November, and then we would have a warm spell, and my garlic would wake up and it would start growing. And then the cold weather would set in, and my plants would be stunted. And then I would have a little less yield than I maybe would have had I waited until after the frost and after the freeze. If you want a specialty garlic, you'll need to make sure to plan ahead of time in order to have your garlic in December when you plant. And then if you want like a special hardneck garlic or one that has a special aroma or special taste or even a special color, you'll definitely have to order that online early. As for me, I typically just get a box of two soft neck garlics, organic, at the grocery store. Just buy them for $1 or $2, and I can split them up, and each of these has about 10 to 12 cloves. What I will expect from two bulbs of garlic, 10 cloves apiece, will be about 20 bulbs of garlic when I harvest next summer, which is about 200 cloves. That's plenty for us to be able to use for the entire year. So that's all I plant. Now, if you want more yield, if you really like garlic or use it every day in different recipes, then just plant more bulbs of garlic. I've identified my bed. It's a bed that has been resting for a couple of months. It has cardboard with my weighted bricks on it, and underneath there are leaves and some straw. It's ready to go. It's all composted nicely. It's beautiful soil. The next thing to do is take your bulbs of garlic and you need to break them up into cloves. Of course, the paper on this will have to come off, and you just kind of break the neck a little bit on the garlic and start peeling all of that off. You may need to dig your fingers in there a little bit to get the cloves out. And then when you have separated the cloves, we'll put them into the soil. Garlic likes a little space, so plant your garlic about 6 to 8 inches apart and pointy side up. As far as depth is concerned, you want to plant garlic as at least as deep as double the length of the clove. In colder climates, you can plant at least 3 or 4 inches deep in order to get away from the freeze on the surface of the soil through the season and not have any problems at all. So, the colder the climate, the deeper you want to plant it. You want your soil to be very loose, and you could use a bulb planter if your soil is a little harder. But in my case, I have very loose soil. You want the soil to have good organic matter and to be well drained. So I'm going to just dig my hole with my fingers and be able to put that pointy side up in there and cover it about double the depth of the bulb length. And then go over 6 to 8 inches, about here, and put my bulb in the soil, pointy side up, and then cover it. And I will do that for the entire bed. I found that a 4x4 bed like this will typically take about two bulbs split into cloves. About 20 will fit in this bed. You can compact them a little bit more, but you'll also get smaller bulbs. So remember that the closer you plant them together, the smaller your bulbs will be. The key to planting garlic that I've found is to just make sure that you plant it late enough into the winter so that there's not a possibility of a warm spell that would cause it to grow again. Typically, seeds and bulbs tend to want to start growing when the soil temperatures are at or above 50 degrees. And so, if the temperatures are below that, typically your garlic cloves are going to hibernate. And it's important for them to. They need those chill hours in order to settle in and get ready for that big spring growing season. You know, as I look around my garden, I see all of these brown leaves and the vestiges of a beautiful summer garden. And, it can make you a little sad to see that, especially if you don't have anything to look forward to for the next couple months. But it's also exciting to be able to plant something in the winter. And garlic just really scratches that itch for me to be able to put that in the soil and know I'm growing something even in the cold temperatures that we have out here. And I'm glad to be able to share that with you today. Happy garlic growing from our homestead to yours. Blessings.